this patient is suffering of severe pain and swelling ikkada kadamma in the lateral aspect of the anterolateral aspect of the ankle. She had a history of fist injury 3 months back ante kadamma. So from that time she has severe pain and difficulty in walking అంతేనమ్మా. ఇంకేమైనా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉన్నాయా?
పెయిన్ వస్తుంది, పెయిన్ స్వెల్లింగ్ ఉంది.
ఓకే, సో ఇక్కడే కదమ్మా పెయిన్. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద సైట్ ఆఫ్ ATFL. సో వెనెవర్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎ యాంకిల్ స్ప్రెయిన్ యూ షుడ్ ఆల్వేస్ try to go to the doctor as early as possible. Kindly don't neglect ankle sprains. So majority of the times ankle sprain, the X-ray will be looking normal, and there are grades of ankle sprain. So it's very important to go to the orthopedic surgeon as early as possible and get the treatment accordingly. Because sometimes if there is a ATFL complete tear with instability, patient can develop other complications as well. As I said earlier, majority of the times X-ray will be normal. Now I will show you the X-ray. ATFL tear can be diagnosed in MRI. I will show you the X-ray now. So in this X-ray you can see there is no bony injury. So X-ray is looking grossly normal.